Alright, this is a Whirlpool refrigerator, and I'm not going to read the entire model number out loud right now, but I'll put it on the screen here. And I'm hoping that this video will either save you the headache if you have the same model, or somebody will prove me wrong in the comments and provide a solution to this problem. Because as far as I can tell, for this model, you cannot actually turn the replace filter light off if you don't install a new filter. And just the light wouldn't bother me so much, it is the annoying reminder beep every time you use the water dispenser. So, I have been unable to disable that beep, and I have looked at instructions Whirlpool provides online. They have a generic page about different models of their refrigerators, all of which have different options for using the menu, some combination of holding two buttons down, or pressing the options button and then getting a filter reset option, which as you can see here, I do not have, and pressing the filter status button just brings up this percent remaining thing, but there's no way. I've tried holding it down, tried holding down different combinations of buttons, and nothing that I managed to do resets that annoying replace filter light or beep. We already have a water treatment system in our basement, and I don't really feel like buying a $45 filter just to get this thing to shut up. The only other thing I read online, which I have tried and has not worked, is opening, if I can get my camera to refocus, that opening and just reclosing the door for the filter should reset it, but as you can see, in my case, that didn't do anything, and I'm still getting the beep. So again, I will put the model number for this refrigerator up on the screen here. I checked the manual online, and it does say that this light will stay on until a new filter is installed. I was hoping there would be some sort of override or some way to shut it up and get the beeping to stop. I have not been able to figure out how to do it for this model. If you have, please let me know, because it is really annoying, and it does seem to be possible for other Whirlpool refrigerators, but I would like to get this one to stop beeping. So again, if you know how to do it for this model, or some combination of the buttons here that I haven't pressed correctly or something, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.